student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. All the best. God bless you. All these questions are coming in different competitive exam. You must try it. For which we are discussing about chemical equilibrium. For which of the following cases does the reaction go farthest to completion? K is equal to 1. Options are given to you. You have to search in this where is K will be maximum. Here in this K is maximum. K is equal to 10 to power 10. So if this constant, equilibrium constant is maximum, at that moment the reaction is going to for completion. For why? Because the ratio of product by reactant, if product will be more, then only K will be more. Okay, so K will be equal to molar concentration of product by reactant. If product will be more, so K will be more. So it is showing that maximum will be the value of K. Farthest will go for the completion. Reaction is going to the product formation. Okay. Now H2 plus I2 twice of HI, K is equal to Kc. Suppose it is Kc, and then 2H2 plus 2I2 gives you 4 of HI. So K dash C you have to find out. So see here. Here this is what we have done. This is multiplied by 2 and 4. Okay, when the reaction is multiplied by 2, then the new Kc, this is original Kc, this is original, and this is new. After multiplying it by 2, so the new Kc will be equal to square of original. This is original. I told you this is original. Okay, so square of original Kc. Okay, so what is the relationship between Kc and K dash C? That K1C is equal to square of Kc. Clear? So H2 plus I2 gives you twice of HI. Equation multiply by 2 here. That is why here, and this answer will be there. Now if we will divide this by half, at that moment this is original Kc. So this is because new Kc will be, this is new one. Okay, after division by 2, so it will be K dash C. K dash C is the new equilibrium constant, will be under root of Kc, that is, or we can say square root of Kc. Okay, so in or sometimes we are writing Kc within bracket and then half, that is the square root of Kc. Clear to you? If the reaction is, suppose, divide by 3, so H2 plus I2 gives you twice of HI, so it will be 1 by 3 H2 plus 1 by 3 I2 gives you twice 2 by 3 HI. So new what will be the relationship between this Kc, original Kc and K dash C? It will be the cube root. QC, K1C new equilibrium constant will be the cube root of original. This is original Kc. Okay, original equation. So that is why I am saying original Kc. So this is original equation first, and